Hey there, I'm Luke with CompanyCam, and I'm going to walk you through getting your company's CompanyCam account all up and running. Okay, now that you have a couple people up and running in your CompanyCam account, you're going to want to know how to create new projects. So on the computer, that is simple. You just hover up over this button that says Create, and you click on New Project. Okay, now we try to make this as simple as possible. So you just start typing in an address here. I'll just type in some random numbers, 4560. And it's going to say, oh, it looks like this is what you might want. You just start typing in 4560, let's say, Leavenworth Street, Omaha, Nebraska. You click it. It's going to automatically fill out that address information here. It's going to find it on the map. Now I can drag that over if I want to move it a little bit to get it just right. And then I could name that project. Again, I could say this is Luke's Fake Project, right? And then once I'm all done, I click Create Project. And there we are, Luke's Fake Project, no photos yet. I can upload photos from the computer, or I can take them from the mobile app and they will immediately populate under this project. Creating a project is very, very easy on the computer. Creating a project is also simple on the phone app. So once you open up the CompanyCam app, you're gonna see, oh, there's my fake project right there. But if I wanna create a new project, I actually just click on the camera down here at the bottom, in the bottom right. And then that's going to show me the projects that are near me. So we're directly above this restaurant. There we are. We're in our sales office. We've created way too many fake projects around here. But to create a new project, I'm just going to click New Project. And then, yeah, look at all those fake projects. It's going to find me on the map. See that red pin there in the center? I'll kind of drag it over so it's easier to see. It's going to find you on the map. And then down at the bottom of the screen, it's going to automatically figure out the address where you are. So all you do is hit Create, that green button. Then you could type in the name of that project. Again, I'll just say Luke's, can't spell my own name, Luke's Second Fake Project. And then boom, there's that fake project. Now that I've created that project, I can take a photo. So I'm looking out the window here, and at the top of the screen, you can see it says where I am. I'm at Luke's Second Fake Project. Then I can snap a photo. Now that I've snapped the photo, that's a terrible blurry photo. I'm gonna redo that and delete that. Now I can snap a photo. There we go. And then I've got all these options here. So in the top left, I could tag this photo. So you can create a list of tags for your company. They're just little subcategories. Like I said, you can always sort your photos by when they were taken, where they were taken, and who took them. But if you want to go deeper, I could say this is, I think that's an EPDM roof. So I could tag this one as EPDM, right? I can write a comment, like a note that will save on this photo, kind of like a Facebook comment. I could say, looks like there is water pooling on this roof. Then that comment will save under that photo. I'll know who wrote the comment, when they wrote it. Really good way to get all your information here in one place. I could record a voice note. I'll save that for now. The other thing in the bottom right here, I can click edit and draw all over this photo. I've got a ton of options for drawing here. So I may want to hit the arrow and just pop an arrow out there. Then I can drag that arrow around and I say water. Just make a quick note on that arrow. I can make a circle and then, circle the water. Maybe I want that circle to be red. So I'll hit the yellow up here and switch it to red. I can freehand draw. If I click the little squiggly line here, I can just, make it super apparent. There is the water. It's all right there. I can crop the photo. I mean, you got all these editing options. You can mess with it, see what you like to use. The idea being, we want you to get as much information on this photo as possible so that it's all in context. It's not in a notebook somewhere that you're going to lose or that's going to get stacked, in a drawer in your desk. These photos are going to be organized under the job. You're going to have the drawings on them so that when you look back, you can actually figure out what you were thinking at the time. Then when you're done, you just click save, and it's going to save that photo to your CompanyCam, and that's going to fire open the camera so you can take some more pictures, okay? Now, I want to call you to the bottom of the camera where you see these other options. So there's fast cam, camera, scanner, and after cam. So with fast cam, I'm going to click that one. Now I can just take photos without getting the option to draw on them. So I can always do that later, but if I want to just snap a photo here, snap a photo here, snap a photo here, those are just automatically going to save under that project. I don't have to, draw or comment or whatever. I can do that later. This is for if you just need to take a bunch of photos quickly. We have there a document scanner, and we also have the before and after camera, which is really cool. I'll show you that really fast. So the after cam lets you take these incredible before and after photos. So I'm just going to get started. And it's going to say, hey, what do you want the before photo to be? So I'll pick this one. And then, yep, that's the one I want to use. Now, what's awesome here is you see it lays that before photo over the camera screen so that I can try to line it up just right with the after photo. So imagine before you do a job, you snap some photos, then you're done, and you can line it up. Now, we do have this little button down here, which I'm going to push, which will just give me the outline, which just makes it easier to look at. So I'm going to try to line this right up right there. Then I snap that after photo. What's really cool here, this is why you upload your logo. It's going to put your logo on this before and after. So you can pop this directly to Facebook. You can send it to your customer. You can do all this stuff with it. So I just took these two photos. You see the befores in the top right, the afters down there. And then I can pick my little template. So maybe I want to do tiger right here. It'll drop the before and after like that. Or maybe this one is shark. These names are hilarious. Where it'll kind of put the before on the left and draw the squiggly line through it. And then you can move these around. So maybe if it's off a little bit, I could edit the before image and I could just kind of like drag it around a little, do something with it. And then when I'm done, I can save this, hit save. Now what's great is that's going to save to your CompanyCam so you have it, but you can immediately share it. So I could share this. I'll just click share. Maybe I want to drop it on Facebook and I'll say, nice work. And then post. That's how simple it is to do good marketing, showing off your work with your logo on there. It's as simple as that. So that's the before and after cam. Now I said these photos are going to immediately sync from the field to the office. I want to show you that. So when I X out of this before and after camera, I'm going to go back to the regular camera here, just get back. Here's those photos that I just took out in the field, right? They're my fake project. I've got all these photos in here that I just took. And if we swap back over to the computer and I click on projects right here, or I'll click on photos. Now I can see here's those photos that I've just been taking at this, fake project. And I can click into that and see there's a project I created. Now all those photos are under them. I know who took them, when we took them, where we took them. If I click into one, again, all that data is over here. I can see the tag I applied and I can see the note that I wrote. And it's all in here. And then you can comment back and forth with these notes and make sure that you're really sorting out whatever issue you have. Okay, guys, that's all I'm going to show you for now. You should have the basics to get up and running. If you want to learn more, you can go to help.companycam.com. There's a bunch of tutorials on there, or you can always message us in the support. And you message us. We're sitting here waiting to answer your questions. We want to help you get going on the right foot. So do not hesitate to reach out if you have a question. Thank you very much.